Hi, and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to talk about connections. So connections are rather important if you want to send someone a credential or request a proof from them. And Siera allows you to quickly set up a connection with your mobile wallet or with another agent. In this tutorial, we're going to create a connection with ourselves, and we can do that with the subcommand connection. So here we can see invite, receive, and list. And with list, you can just view your other connections. Receive, you can receive invitations, and with invite, you can create invitations. So Siera connection invite, we can see that we can do some auto acceptance, QR. There's a toolbox command which sets some defaults, so you can connect to the Aries toolbox. There's a multi-use, an alias that you can provide, but for this tutorial, we'll just keep it simple and do Siera connection invite, and there we go. So here we have the connection record ID, and this is the invitation that you would send to another agent. So we're going to copy this, and then with the same agent we can do Siera connection receive. Then we provide the URL, which is this. Make sure to put it in quotes because some of these characters might mess up your command. And there we go. We have the connection ID from the other side. And if we use this one, we can do Siera connection list and we can provide some filters. So ID, alias, connection protocol, they're just filters based on all your connections. So here we can provide the ID filter, which would be this. And then here we can see the connection with their label, their DID, what the state is, and so on. And that's how you create connections in Siera.